Hi, myself. My name is E. Pawan Kumar. I am from Rajchoti. I completed my graduation BTech in Seetham's College, which is located in Chittoor district. I'm comes to my experience in Jspiders. It is more rapport with my faculties, which is helped me to improve my communication skills based on to crack an interviews. That helps the mock interviews to clear. Jspiders will be provided the more opportunity to crack the interviews. Nearly have attended near 10 interviews I have attended. It is too good for the faculties. And comes to my experience becomes to get an opportunity with uh, a company helpful from my grooming classes, which is help before going to the interviews. They will be taught me the what is the important questions they will ask and how will be behave in the company and how to move on further to the company.